I hate this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to find out where Freedom 2026's coverage, follow these steps to check the coverage map. Step 1. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Visit the Freedom website. Type in a Freedom 2026 website URL in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're on the official site for accurate information. Step 3. Navigate to Coverage Map. Look for the Coverage or Coverage Map link on the home page. This is usually found in the main menu or footer of the site. Step 4. Enter your location. Once you are on the Coverage Map page, enter your zip code or city in the search bar provided. This will help you find specific coverage details for your area. Step 5. Review coverage details. After entering your location, review the map and any accompanying details to see the coverage quality in your area. Look for color codes that indicate signal strength. Sometimes the coverage may look good on the map but can vary in real life due to obstacles like buildings or trees. Always check the details for your specific address. I hope this helps you find the coverage information you need. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.